Okay guys, so this is a CLV table leg. We've had lots of design changes and that with these legs. So just to give you a bit of a rundown, we've got a steel frame, we've got voice activated lighting that is on the inside here. All the lighting will be covered with glass. Around all the steel frame, it's going to be lined with this obsidian. So we've got some bubbly obsidian, and then that'll be glued onto the steel frame. We're going to have some swamp carrot, but we're going to keep it very simplistic. This will be all lined with obsidian, and we might have like a whale down here, and maybe a diver up here, and then maybe a couple of little sharks or something on that side, but keep it quite fantastic. Oh, what have I got myself into here? Anyway, this is the CLV table leg 103. It's had a few design changes and now we're piecing it together. So what I'm doing here is I've got a swan carrot which has actually been all burnt, and we've got these really nice dark airy limbs that are going on the outside edges and then in the middle as well. Rightio. So now I've got the obsidian on the two side faces and the top part. I'm just going to go over this and epoxy it. I'm going to be using our knot hole resin. Tim back in the workshop today, and Tim's just looking at one of the legs of the CLV table. So what do you think of the plan, Tim?
It's a massive job, huge job.
Do you like the plan?
That was a good plan, but it's
just never been done before, so this is
massive.
the first.
It's huge, it's going to take
hours. Steel frames are made by Marty Built's or black powder coated steel frame, and then we're wrapping the frame with obsidian. Look at this beautiful obsidian. All this obsidian was hand gathered from a road cut out between Taupo and Rotorua. So guys, I'm just mixing up a bit of finishing compound. This is our liquid glass epoxy resin. So when we mix it, you'll notice it actually has a bit of a yellowy tinge. But when it's actually poured, as you can see in the CLV table, it's crystal clear. The reason for this is it's got a very high UV stabilizer in it, and that's more important to me than anything else really. This piece is going to be getting a lot of sun, so I want to make sure that it's very well protected UV wise. Pillow here, and that's going to be used to make waterfalls.
So I'm just drizzling the epoxy over the pillow runner. Okay team, so this is the Cedar V project. This is just one of the legs. This has had about 8-9 layers now of effects. Got one more pour to do tomorrow on the base.
We're going to take this out of the mould and shape all the sides and get ready to box this up and get it into the big mould. The plan is to really grind in here. Yeah, sort of take all of this corner out. Grind in here, round like this, white wavy like, and scallop it round this way. Okay team, so with every build we do, we have parts we really enjoy, we have parts that we get a lot of satisfaction out of, and then we have parts of a job that we absolutely can't stand. And this is one of those parts. So yeah, I really can't stand it. Shaping this like water, a lot of people would be happy with it just as it is, with all the top molded, but you know, it can be so much more, it can look so much better. So for the part that I absolutely hate, but absolutely love at the same time once it's done, is doing the shaping. I'm just creating a wave here. Scallop this round like a cresting turquoise wave, crashing down onto the sea below. Yeah, overall I'm very happy with that. Okay guys, so we're just about to do a top coat on Cedar V leg after I've shaped it. And then once the top coat's done, I'm just going to go over, put a little bit of water effect on it. And then that'll be me for today.
Good. I think we'll just turn the lights on. Make sure there's been no problems. Bloody beautiful. Oh, so bloody beautiful, Ed. Yeah, she's going to be stunning. Absolutely stunning once it's finished. Really cool waves. Check out the waves. Lots and lots and lots of work to get those like that. But it's all worth it. Wave her feet down the side. She's going to be stunning when she's finished, mate. It's coming down and pouring into this little pond and bleeding out.